Hi, we are Group 1. I will introduce our group mate. First is Wong Sing Ting, Nurul Aida Nabila binti Muhammad Kamal, Farini bin Baharudin, and me Siti Nasuha binti Muhammad Rosadi.
Step 1. State the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis. So we know that the null hypothesis in that population's mean is less than 10,000 ringgit Malaysians, and the alternate hypothesis is that the population's mean is less than 10,000 ringgit Malaysians. So the test is a one-tier test. Step 2. Select the level of the significance. So we know that 0.1 significance level as stated in the problem. Next, step 3. Select the test statistic. So we use the t distribution since the sigma is unknown. So the formula is t equals to sample mean minus the population's mean over the standard error of the mean. So next, I will pass to the next presenter to continue the step.
Thank you, Simting. Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Farini binti Baharudin with metric number 285195. So today I will continue presenting the next step to answer question 1, which is step 4 and step 5. Let's start now. In step 4, we need to formulate the decision rule. From the question, we can know that the degree of freedom are 8, which is found using the formula n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. We can get the critical t value to be 1.415 after referring to appendix B.2 for a one-tail test using alpha equal to 0.1 with 7 degree of freedom. So the decision rule is we need to reject the H null hypothesis if the compute t is less than negative 1.415. For step 5, we need to make a decision and interpret the result. First, find the population mean using the formula population mean equal the sum of all the values in the sample divided by the number of value in the sample, and we will get the population mean 9,863. Then, we need to find the standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation is the square root of the total observation given minus the mean power of 2 divided by the total number of observation, and we will get the standard deviation 1172. To calculate the compute value of t, we can use the following formula, which is shown on the slide. The negative 0.331 is compute the value of t that we get after calculating it. Because negative 0.331 is less in the region to the right of the critical value of t, negative 1.415, the null hypothesis is not rejected at the 0 point of significance level. To put it another way, the difference of 137 ringgit between the sample mean and the population mean could be due to sampling error. That's all from me. I will give it to another presenter to present the steps of the solution to the next question. Thank you.
To solve the question 2, the first step we need to do is state the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis. The test is one-tail test. Step to select the level of significance. We will use infinity equal to 0.01 as stated in the question. Step 3, we will select the test statistic. We will use t distribution because standard deviation is unknown. So we can use the formula as shown in there. T equal in sample D over sample standard deviation divided by square root of sample size. Step 4, formulate the decision rule. The n or sample size is 8, so 8 minus 1 equal to 7. T-test statistic equal to 2.998. Reject if t less than 2.998.
The next one is step 5. We'll take sample, make decision and interpret the result. First of all, we will use the table given in the question to find the difference of number of crime by area A to hash. We will use the number of crimes before and minus with the number of crime after to get the difference. Then we will get the difference of number of crime by area between before and after in area A to hash as stated in the table. After that, we need to find mean for the difference that we already found before. We will use x equal to d divided by n. So, we will take the number of crime different and plus all the number, which is 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus negative 2 plus 5 and plus 5, and we will divide it by n, which is 8. We will get the mean of the difference is 3.875. Next, we need to find standard deviation. We will use standard deviation equal to square root bracket x minus mean close bracket the power of 2, and we will divide by n minus 1. We will fill in the formula and we will get standard deviation is equal to 3.6042. After that, we will use the t statistic to find whether to reject hash null or do not reject hash null. We will use t equal to d, which is d is 3.875 over standard deviation, which is 3.604 over square root n, which is 8, and we will get t is equal to 3.04. We will saw in the graph that we sketched 3.04 is fall in the rejection region. That means hash null is rejected. That's all from our group. Thank you.